Triangle ABC lies on the coordinate plane with vertices located at point A, 8, 6, point B has the coordinates 2, -5, and point C has the coordinates -5, 1. The triangle is transformed using the rule xy is transformed into x plus 3, 2 times y to create triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Determine the coordinates of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So here, our rule is telling us exactly what we need to do. So where it says xy is transformed into x plus 3, 2 times y, that rule tells us we're going to take our x coordinate, and then to find our new x value, so the x value in our prime coordinate, we're going to take our original x coordinate and add 3 to it, because it says x plus 3. Then, to find our y prime values, we're going to take our y coordinates and multiply them by 2. So when you see 2y, that's telling you to do 2 times y. So remember, 2y is the same as 2 times y. So now all we need to do is take the coordinates that the problem gives us and apply this rule to them. So if point A is 8, 6, to find the coordinates of A prime, you'll take your x value, which is 8, and add 3 to it. You'll take your y value, which is 6, and multiply it by 2. Same thing for B. If our original coordinate is 2, -5, to find the coordinates of B prime, you'll take your x value, which is 2, and add 3 to it. You'll take your y value, which is -5, and multiply it by 2. And then for point C, you'll do the same thing. So if the original coordinates of point C are -5, 1, again, they tell us that in the problem, then we just need to apply this rule for it. We're going to take our x coordinate, which is -5, and add 3 to it. And then we'll take our y coordinate, which is 1, and multiply it by 2. When you actually complete this, if you do 8 plus 3 to get a value, 2 times 6 to get a value, you'll find the coordinates of A prime, B prime, C prime.